Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday to you. Happy hump day. Another day in the market. Man, we had a good day starting off. We was up. I was looking at the market around about 10 o'clock, 9:45. So, man, we going to have a good green day. I'm going to cash up and save some money. And look at it now. Roller coaster ride. But it's all good, man. Just going to get on through it like any other day. Talking to y'all and looking at some. Got papers everywhere, man. List of stuff I be using while I'm trading. What the day? The 19th? The 17th. 17 and 14. This can go in the trash. But yeah, man, read an article today. As you already know, some of y'all might not, but having this sell off, Magnificent Seven, SP 500, everything down. They say that, got the AI boom. Let's check out VOO. It's the S&P 500 Vanguard. To show y'all the trading pattern, still at $607. You got a 52-week high of 634. But if you look at the last week, it's been selling off. This is the pattern of the last month. Point I'm making is everybody running from tech stocks. Say they're running from tech stocks. Some say they're going to the healthcare, like United Health, because they know they're doubling premiums. Health insurance ain't nothing but a scam. You pay all this money, double premiums, and then when you really need surgery, they want to deny your claims and all that stuff from what I hear. But I think that's might what happened to that United Health dude. When that dude went up and killed him in New York City, that sounded kind of personal. Sounded like one of his loved ones might have really needed some surgery or some health care, and United Health must have denied the claim, and he went and got some vengeance back on them. That's what it sounded like to me. But we're gonna leave it there. Also, they running from tech, and they are buying dividend stocks. They buying stuff like VYM and SCHD, parking cash there for those dividends during these volatile times. Something like VYM is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. One I do have, got on $1 a day recurring. Dividend yield not high. 2.47% yield, but you get these top 10 holdings. You got Broadcom, Exxon Mobil, Walmart, Home Depot, Procter & Gamble, JP Morgan Chase, Johnson & Johnson, AbbVie, Bank of America, United Health. And this is what you get with SCHD, next popular one. So actually a good time to go buy some of this. I like it at 27 and under anyway. We'll get some $3 worth. I want to get me 500 shares in my Cash App portfolio. But get back to my point. I'm going to get back to trading real quick and we get on out of here. Come on, let's go to holdings, man. Where you at? Come on, upload. Here we go. All right, you got 4.91%. You got Amgen, AbbVie, Coca-Cola, Chevron, Bristol Myers Squibb, Cisco, Merck, Pepsi, Lockheed Martin, and Verizon. All those nice little dividend stocks. 3.92% dividend yield. So that's where people go and parking cash, man, till these times. Because most of these you just buy and hold, man. Don't have to worry about nothing. But let's go ahead and get through this trade for the day. All right, one of my value stocks for the day is Costco. I done probably went and spent $25 already. I'm doubling down at these prices. 52-week high, 1,078. I want to get me a share. Trading at 871.79. So I'm doubling down on Costco for the long term. LYB, I did go get some of this here. This is a dividend play. Get somewhere I'm on line with y'all in this portfolio. Explain to you why is it a dividend play? Pay out weekly, 12.39% dividend yield. Dividend seems good as of now, as of late. Haven't experienced any cuts, but don't expect no dividend hike out of that company probably no time soon. I went and got some back, still 3.75% yield. 52-week high 37.74, which we're probably not gonna see again. As time go, that 52-week high gonna get lower and lower. 52-week high 2 months from now, not gonna be 37, might be 32, 29, 33. It's gonna get lower and lower as time pass. RC, Ready Capital, you can go get some of this. I'm buying this weekly at the weekly low, made a new 52-week low at 238. I already got 2 shares of that. Ticker ABR. Had a nice run today. Got up to almost $9, $8.99. And you see this having a sell off. Seem like people buying this and selling it, not keeping it for the long term. I'm at 1069. Definitely gobbling up these cheap shares. Got COF, Capital One. What I do like, credit card / bank stock. 52 high 232, low 143.22. So that's a long-term play. AFCG going out to buy this weekly. This got down to 280 at 276, making a new 52-week low. Going to buy that weekly also, so I can get the best price when I invest my money. Buy it and leave it there. If it touches it, does it. If it touches it, it touches it. If it don't, that means it's going up. Stocks can either go one way, or actually 3, up, down, or sideways. Going sideways means trading up and down, up and down, up and down. Staying like stagnant pattern. Cherry Hill 226. Same old thing here, but I'm just getting 5 shares a day. This one here moves kind of quick. 2.26. Keep riding up to 239 like they trading it. It'll ride up there, then they trade it. It ride up again, and they trading it. I'm at 265 right now. Pets coming on down. Gonna buy this weekly also. Get the best price I can. But that's in buy range. What else? Wendy's is down to 814. Another thing with Wendy's, I forgot I did say I was gonna do this too. I'm buying buying Wendy's weekly in this portfolio too. Just get $2 worth there. OXLC down to 1308 at 1307. It's 40 cents a share a month. Like I say, all this stuff getting whooped. FLO, Flowers Food, 1075. I went and got some of that. I also put a buy order in at 1030. What I did, 1031. 1069. Bull coming back down around the $8 range. Think I got a buy order in at 791 for Bull. I don't know if I put in this one or not. What I did do 7. Anyway, 791. Didn't I put one in last night? No, I didn't do it. I thought, anyways. Yeah, we're going in 791 right there on Bull. Don't know how much that's gonna come on down. Got the Dow, DOW. It's down today. You say we can go into a recession with Looking at the YouTube video, so you got a 93% chance. Go with CHCT. Healthcare REIT, another good place to park cash for dividend, 12.29% yield. Amazon. I went in at 218.53 for Amazon today. I got it, put it in my Cash App. Walmart, I went and got like $5 worth of this. Gonna do a buy limit order, put in at 99.89. Just about to touch again. Get me some of this. And DEO triggered. I got some of this. I had a buy limit order 89.04 with Diageo right now going on. They think they want to get some new flavors or something with spirits. They were saying it was like just trying to come up with some money, trying to decide whether they're gonna do a dividend cut and reinvest the cut money, the savings back into the company. They want to get some new spirits and flavors. Was what I was reading today. It didn't say whether they was gonna do it or not, but dividend is 4.46%. But that's what was going on from what I read. Like I said, I'm gonna get myself up out of that one anyway. and you know now they got the tariffs going on the liquor with appliances and all that stuff. Home Depot had bad earnings, but missed their earnings. I stay in Savannah, Georgia, so got the longshoremen right off the water here. They say last year they down, for October 2025, they down 8% compared to October of 2024. And due to tariffs, people not ordering stuff from overseas to get it into the country because they got to pay them tariffs, meaning nothing going to be coming into the docks. So it's going to be less stuff coming into the docks. You're going to see a decrease in value. New Tech One. I've been buying this one, coming down in this one, 968 today. Five shares, 9.68. As you know, this is why I'm reinvesting all of my yield max stuff. Let's look at the analyst ratings for this one anyway. 71% hold, 29% buy. 52-week low, 912, so got some room to come down. Highland Property, Highwoods, that's what it is. Dividend yield is 7.12%, 52-week low, 24.18. Get some of this here. Put myself in that driver's seat, lower my average cost. 7% yield, not bad. Not the double digits you want, but you got to come down in the HPP. Let's see what we doing. Like I said, it's going to be my last dance with them. 172. And say once all is over with and it shoot back up, I make my exit. That's going to be it. Not taking no more risks. Getting out of these, I ain't going to say bad, but non-profit REITs that done lost his footing since I've been investing in them. Granite Point Mortgage, I'm up 366, waiting on this one just to take me to the promised land. That CHMI RC, we're gonna buy that weekly. Did show y'all that. We did do the Dow. SLRC. Another one I need to do weekly. Should be about a 10.95% yield. Comcast, I did have a buy limit order here. I put one in at $26.75. I need to come down in this one also. Wanted to hit it one good time. $26.75 for 10 shares. Dividend yield is 4.75%. We already showed you pets. Brandywine gonna get that weekly also. 52-week low 323. Then weekly Brandywine BDN. Yeah. Northwest Bank shares, just to check it out, 1133. 52-week low 1075. 6.97% yield. Got to have that. Nice dividend play there. What's the 52-week high? 1542. My bad. Look at that market cap real quick. Small bank. Yep, gonna make my exit out of that one too when it go back up. Telus. Got to get up out of this one also. BGS 444. Waiting on this 52-week high is 810. Got LYB, Westlake Chemicals. Yep, it's got about a 10% yield. I'm going to get some more of this one. These some of the stocks you're going to have to hit, man, cause like the yield maxes and everything coming on down. Like I like YMAX and YMAG. That's where I'm putting all of my money at. MFA Financial, definitely go get some of that. We'll have to get these REITs and BDCs. Might experience a dividend cut here and there. You may, but depends on which ones you buy. That's part of the game. Ticker TWO. Two Harbors, also one I buy weekly. I did get some DISO, brought 5 shares yesterday. This went up to $12. Now it came back down. Also, when I'm buying 40% yield, now I highlight the other ones, but less volatile. It also pays out weekly. Got the order yesterday, 5 shares at $11.80. That's DISO. MSFO, Microsoft, 1612. Remember, that's dealing with the Magnificent Seven. I meant to get XOMO. That's one I wanted. 1176, 52-week low is 1146. But these the ones you're going to have to get. The one that's less volatile, never experience dividend cuts. You know, Exxon oil, the oil stocks are getting whooped anyway. NFLY had a nice run yesterday. I got a buy limit order in at 1401 for 5 shares. It's another one you can get in. Another one I'm going to be buying weekly. I just started a position in Netflix also. MSTY and all that, not touching it. AIYY, that's the cheap one. I get some of this before the stock split. I just dollar cost average to it. I don't get a lot, 190. And I'm going to go in at 186. Why bid another one? I'm going to go tackle some. But like I say, this one here just falling. 726. New 52-week low. That's why I stopped buying it. Just going to put it in another place. IWMY, that's another one I'm buying that I like. I buy 5 shares of this every week. So I'm going to continue to do that. SCHD, YMAX, 1047. I got one share last night at 1051. It's YMAX. I should have a dividend posting for the... Nope, didn't come up yet. Should be there tonight. All right, YMAX, PYPY do weekly. DEA. Definitely get some of this. Make sure I check out YMAG also. Charge point went up 8% yesterday, which is a good sign. Global Medical REIT, more of a discount here. 11.11%, 2905, 52-week low. Hood went past, got up to like 118, 120, somewhere in there. Today's low 112.18. It's definitely one to buy and hold. So far, me coming down, but won't touch my I got a buy limit order at 25.66. All right, let's go get some of these last four and we get on out of here, man. 22.90. I'm at 26. Get $3 worth for that. Not loading up on anything. LFGY 2719, 2132. I usually get like $2 worth of all this stuff. When it's down, WP 4609, 49. Let's bring it down. My average call DYVE 3095. It's trading at a 52-week high anyway. That's a nice quarterly paying dividend, 9% yield. I'm gonna look at YMAG. We can get on out of here. YMAG. Might start a double position in this one. $41.18 today, but $14.18. Another one I'm gonna go out and buy weekly. What's the YMAX low for the day? Just curious. $10.43. All right, then MED MetaFast. All right, that's it, man. Enjoy them. Check. I did get some of this too, also. IIPR. Some marijuana REIT for y'all to come down in this one. I'm about to go get some more of this. 15.97% yield. I would probably stay out of it. I mean, you can't. It's a toss up. They got to sell. I don't like marijuana stocks. That's why I'm gonna get out of it. I think that boom done had its run. Another one we was getting was OBDC. Blue Eye. I remember this one was trading at a low. Well, starting to make itself run back up. 52-week low, 1165 OBDC. We're going at 1165. Give me 2 shares. Check one more. GSBD. She did it hit my 935. Let's go check. I'm at 935, 3 shares. Replace this to 5 shares. And I'm going at 942. And these are dividend plays you want. Reinvest those yield max. ETFs, 9.42. That's what I'm going to do right there. All right. That's it, man. Enjoy your day. Signing off. Go get your money.